I hope your hearts and bellies are full, because now it's time for something truly unique. Up next is an artistic performance that bends the boundaries of traditional art. Please welcome Mr. Percival Lenolo as he brings to life Mud Shadow Art, a powerful moving display using a raw and beautiful medium. Like coffee, paint, pen, murals, charcoal, comics, etc. But his unique medium of art using mud stand out. He was a semi-finalist in Pilipinas Got Talent Season 5. He appears in TV networks like Talentado Pinoy, semi-finalist in The Will to Win, grand finalist in the Kids' Choice, guest artist in Unang Hirit, and many more. He also performed in India as guest artist, performer in the large technology festival IIT, Mumbai, and India, representing the Philippines and become known as Asia's mud artist performer. He is also a multi-award winner in his mud art craft, like the 10th Finest Filipino Award winner, AWC-FA, Asia's World Class Filipino Award, Asia's First Mud Visual Artist, Most Outstanding, Impressive, and Extraordinary Visual Artist of Asia 2022, Asia's Royalty Award, Most Phenomenal Mud Artist of the Year 2023, Gintong Parangal Awards, Asia's First Mud Shadow Artist 2023. Please welcome Mr. Percival Percy Lenolo, the first and only Asia's Mud Shadow Artist performer. Once again, palakpakan natin Mr. Percival Percy Lenolo, the first and only Asia's Mud Shadow Artist performer.
Pwede sa chick, pwede sa boy. Chick boy, hindi.